What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this stylus. This is T5X Stylus Pen and this is from Yebos and this is compatible with almost all the iPads that was released from 2018 up to 2023, or maybe it will be compatible with 2024 iPads. Okay, before we start the video, there are two things I want to mention clearly. Number one, there is a discount. I have managed to get a discount for you. There is a discount code given in the description box below. Definitely I have left a link of this product in the description box. And the second thing is, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. As usual, we'll start from unboxing. Thea has done the unboxing. Let's go through the unboxing and then we will talk about all the aspect of this stylus or pen, whatever you call it. I'm in love with it. Yebos M5X Stylus for iPads. Well, you have already seen inside the box you will get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a manual, the stylus itself and three different nibs or tips. The stylus itself comes with the original Apple Pen tip and they have used the same material as the Apple Pen tip, the POM material. It's good to see that this brand Yebos, they have also added two extra nibs for free. Not only that, they have also added an extra transformed tip which totally feels like a pen while using on a paper-like screen protector on any iPad. Talking about paper-like screen protector, Yebos, they also have a paper-like screen protector. If you wanna get one, you can get for your iPad. I have been using one for my iPad Pro M2 Pro 11-inch. They have different sized ones, so it will match to your requirement. Not only that, I have been also using these tip covers, which helps to get much more friction and better writing or drawing experience while using on the paper-like material. Talking about signal, well, this is the most important part of this stylus. This stylus actually supports signal adjustment. T5X is the world's first signal adjustable stylus pen. It will never disconnect. If poor contact occurs after replacing the pen tip or adding a paper-like film, we can adjust the signal in Note Yebos to solve the problem of poor contact with the stylus pen. Okay, you can see there is a Note Yebos application and that application is a free one. It's easy to download on any iPad and after we download the application on our iPad, we can do a lot of things. There are two buttons on the top left corner. One is settings and another is Bluetooth. We can connect the pen through Bluetooth to our iPad and we can check battery status. Not only that, as there is a customizable button, we can customize the functions of this button. What will happen on single press, what will happen on double press and what will happen on long press. Well, it is great that we can adjust the signal. For example, at the beginning, look at this. I'm not using any paper-like film or any tip cover or anything. And the pen is working fine. We have a very good friction and very good connectivity. But once I add a paper-like film on my iPad, well, the signal actually becomes a bit weaker. That's why let's try to adjust the signal. Let's increase the signal strength. After increasing the signal strength, wow, it's working fine. Now let's add a tip cover. I have many different colored ones. Let's try this red one. Okay, one more time. The signal strength isn't good enough, so I'm not getting good connectivity. Now what I have to do is to just strengthen the signal, increase the signal strength and okay, bang, it's working fine again. So if you notice any signal strength issue, then you can always change the signal strength using this Yebos application. Not only that, if you're gonna use the transformed tip, then well, this application also has that option. We can choose between original and transformed, and if we are using transformed tip along with a paper-like film, then maybe we will also need to change the signal strength. I'm really happy to see that this brand Yebos has actually thought about all different type of scenarios, and they do care about end users. Because truly, while taking notes or drawing or writing something important, if a pen gets disconnected or if the connection is poor, if it doesn't work on every contact, then I really don't like it. That's not only me, nobody would like it. I know some of you may ask, why do we need a signal adjustment function? We need this because sometimes when you use a stylus pen, it will encounter some disconnection problems. Like if the pen tip is used for a long time, the wear and tear of the pen tip may cause breakage, which can be solved by increasing the signal value. Then there is another scenario where we change the pen tip from the original to the modified one. If after replacing the pen tip to the modified one there is a signal issue, then I have already shown that we can select the modified pen tip and then we can adjust the signal. That's a great thing. Kudos to this brand Yebos. Then there is this third scenario, like after adding the paper film, sometimes signals may get isolated and the signal value needs to be a bit increased to use the pens properly. And finally, as we all use different type of applications, and signal instability may occur in different type of applications, which can also be solved by adjusting the signal strength. With the signal strength conditioning function, we will not experience intermittent poor contact when using tempered glass film, paper-like film, and modified pen tips at the same time. We can even add a nib cover. Great. Well, let's talk about the compatibility. I know I've already mentioned that almost all the iPads from 2018 till today is usable with these pens. Actually, from iPad Gen 6 to now, all the iPads are usable. It doesn't matter whether you have an iPad mini or an iPad or an iPad Air or iPad Pro of different sizes, all will work. Well, finally, let's talk about the battery life. Okay, we can check the battery life on the go through these LED lights. There are 3 LED lights which shows the battery status. We can also check the battery life on the application. I have already shown you. The thing is, 10 minutes of charging offers almost 3 hours of usage time, and this one takes around 50 minutes to get fully charged. And once it is fully charged, this T5X Stylus pen from Yebos offers almost 14 hours of usage time. But if you want to put this on standby mode, it will be on standby mode for 1 year. That's ludicrous. That's massive. And I believe nobody will put a stylus on standby for an year without any reason, right? Everyone is gonna buy this to use this, because it's really very easy to use. It's very easy to use this stylus pen to take notes. It's very easy to draw anything, and truly it's super easy to use the stylus with many different other accessories and on many different applications. Finally, let me show you that the customizable button actually works. I have selected to put my iPad in mute mode. When I press the customizable button, a short press, my iPad goes to mute mode. A double press will bring it to home, and a long press will actually shut down the stylus. Well, that's all about this Yebos T5X Stylus. I'm in love with this, and that's why I'm reviewing this. If you're in the market looking for a stylus pen which comes with some nice features, something like signal strength adjustable function, then you should check this Yebos T5X. I have left a link of this product in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. Yeah, there is a discount for my subscribers and regular viewers. Don't forget to add the discount code. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. I think of you